reports back 2 or 3 second outage indexing the signals. They switch from the ELGAs to TLJs.
We're switching to TLJ, signals dropped. Finished.
We just saw the signal drop. That indicates we change antennas. We're seeing heartbeat tones again after the switch. Things are looking good. Phone's back again on the tree. Vehicle reports entry interface. At this time, it'll begin pressurizing the propulsion system to increase the thrust of the system. It'll use that for all the maneuvering in the atmosphere we're about to do. Back to heartbeat tones. We're standing by for guided start of guided entry.
Now we can see the engine atmosphere in the Doppler.
We are beginning to feel the atmosphere as we go in here. The vehicle has just reported via tones that it has started guided entry. At this time, the vehicle is beginning to steer its way to the target. Starting its first mag reversal. First mag reversal complete. We have seen peak deceleration. We've passed through peak heating and peak deceleration. It is reporting that we are seeing Gs on the order of 11 to 12 Earth Gs.
Flight GDSA.
GDSA flight go.
We are processing data from Odyssey.
We are now getting telemetry from Odyssey. All right, reversal 2 complete.
Copy, bank reversal 2 complete.
Okay.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy. We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal gets increases to respective levels.
There we go. We are now seeing
And we have RCDP.
Okay, copy.
And base station is updated. They've entered heading alignment.
Very good.
At this time, Curiosity is no longer trying to control how far it's flying downrange and is just heading directly to the target.
And the range control, air use minus 1.2 kilometers.
Minus 1.2.
1.2.
The EL team is reporting that that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have converged a lot of the error, and we should be heading for the target. Flight EDL, TDS warning is okay.
Copy.
Power on. We are seeing a tone from the here indicating that we have seen heating on the heat shield through the MEVI instrument. Everything looks fine. This is as expected. During the heading alignment phase, we're flying almost horizontally like a plane. We're going about Mach 2.4 at an altitude of 17 kilometers or so. The vehicle's reporting heartbeat tones again, indicating that everything is fine during heading alignments. We are standing by for straighten up and flight right and parachute deploy. The vehicle's continuing to decelerate. We're down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 kilometers altitude.
We've begun entry balance mass jettison. Predicted mid downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
EDL Labs, Odyssey Systems on EDL Labs.
wrist mode dynamics.
Wrist mode is nominal.
We're at 9 kilometers and descending.
He's active.
Solid range.
That filter to converge with the velocity correction of 0.7
meters a second. It's applied at the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Visual setting has separated. We're on the ground. Due to Earth occultation as expected. We're using to find the Emily engine in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers descending. Flight EDO, we've got EDO warnings. It is in battle choice mode, so they should power through. Director of communications at this time. Okay, I've lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 80.8
We are climbing
meters per second.
start enabled, standing by for batch cell separation.
Signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey remains
Down to 50 meters per second. 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for Skycrane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal. Altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for Skycrane. Down to 10 meters per second. 40 meters altitude. Skycrane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting final cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango down to nominal.
Yep. You go home to bigger.
UAV stable.
Telemetry.
UAV stable.
UHF is good. Touchdown confirmed. Receiving. Time to see where our curiosity will take us. We're continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
The surface of Mach.
Cam sequence is kicked off, waiting for images.
Heads up, folks. KLL, signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Flight EDL images are starting to come down. We're beginning to get
Alright, we got images coming down, folks.
Visual compass figures stand by for images. Lead ahead.
Big thumbnails coming down.
Odyssey data is still strong.
Odyssey data is very strong.
Odyssey's nice and high in the sky.
You've got mail.
At this time, we're standing by for images.
Thumbnails are complete. We got thumbnails. Television complete.
No, 256.
Okay, okay. So here we are. We're going to start. Go ahead.
Okay.
So we have landed out at the time we thought we would, and we now have our first image.
We have our first image. We've got it's a 64 by 64 thumbnail. A rear has-cam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly which our orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it now. I think in just a few minutes we might get even a larger 250 to 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is actually in the distance. You can't really tell that. So we're looking actually at the shadow of the late afternoon sun.
So these are the rear half cam,
The rear half-cam.
and it does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but the dust that covers the problem is the fact there's dust in the air because we have just blown dust all over the place, whether it's in it.
Fantastic. So there could be more.
There could be more. If we might get, oh yeah, this is the higher, this is 256 by 56 image. This is a higher resolution. You see dust particles on the window. You can see the horizon there in the background, and there is the wheel of the rover safely on the surface of Mars. I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. We might get another one of these, and if we're lucky, before Odyssey goes away, we'll get 2 more of these same images going the other side of the vehicle, and also probably dusty. This is amazing.
So that is one of Curiosity's rover wheels
Exactly.
on the surface of Mars.
Yeah. Whoa, wow. Now we have another image coming down. This is a view looking the other direction. It's still being processed. You'll see it in just a second here. This is another thumbnail image.
Is that a shadow?
That's the shadow
Of the rover.
Curiosity rover on the surface of Mars. Thank you.
Thank you.
The Odyssey transition is about to end. It's about to step below the peak of Mount Sharp very shortly. So this is about all the data we're going to get, but things look great. Thank you very much. Thank you.